Hello guys, today we will be testing Shadow Saber 12 Fat. So current configuration is set on 72 volt. So as you can see in the power supply, so right now we are at 72 volt and maximum current pull is set to 200 amperes. Now we are running VESC 6.05 release. So here you can see it is connected via USB and currently the connection is via SIM Express. So it is an VESC Express compatible module. It is for mainly connecting your VESC app on your Windows laptop or MacBook or any phone over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And here 12 Fat is connected to QS138 90H 4 kilowatt motor, and the gearing you see is 14 front and rear one is 70 tooth. So the rotor positioning sensor we are using is an ABI encoder. So to track accurate position, right now for testing we will be using only ABI encoder. And maximum set current values are, as you can see on the screen, they are for motor phase is 350 M max and absolute is 525. So above that the over current protection will trigger, and we are not turning on the slow ABS current limit, and battery current max is 200 ampere. And let me also show you FOC advanced settings. So the frequency is 20 kilohertz and daytime compensation is 0.45. So this is what our hardware support. So MTPA algorithm currently is off. We will turn it on later. So let's see the sample data first. Let me remove this one and show you a fresh data. So currently no filters are enabled, as you can see on the screen. So I will press this button to start sampling. We will do it under load. So let's do it. So to put load on the motor, what I will do is I will press the rear brake, and while pressing the brake I will accelerate the vehicle so that we can put the motor on load, and I will increase the load on the motor gradually so we can see how much power we are pulling, because no load testing will not give very meaningful results to us. So let's start the test. So you can see at the bottom how much current we are pulling at phase. So you can see the current readings, and if I enable filters, then this is, let me remove the position and phase and MC total. Okay, so this is without filters, this is with FIF filter, and this is mean filtered value. Okay, now let's see the back EMF. So as you can see, this is also very smooth. All phases are equal, nothing irregularities at the peak of the curves, no clipping, nothing anything. Now let's go to this real-time data screen, and till now the max power I have pulled is 15.4 kilowatts, as you can see on the screen. The motor temperature sensor is not connected, and the controller is at 40 degrees Celsius right now, so this is ambient. So now let's see how much power we can push into it. Battery pack. So this controller survives 72 volt, 200 amps and 350 phase amps. Now we will push the limits. So I have set the power supply to 108 volts and 200 amperes. So this time I think the kilowatt should go up to 20 kilowatt. Like this time it was only 16 kilowatt, and earlier. Okay, so screen recording will start, and ESC is at 52 degrees Celsius right now. Now let's start pushing the current. So now let's see the max power push. So the max power went up to 24.6 kilowatts. And so these are values without any filters. So I don't see any kind of distortion. Some is like here, but this may be the little bit of noise that is being injected. Other than that, everything is working fine. So if you guys want any more testing to be done, then please suggest below in the comments. Then we can check that too. Thank you.